If you are having trouble with an appliance in your home, it may be time to call the Sears Home Services service department. With 850,000 plus 5-star reviews nationwide, they have been helping homeowners repair and maintain their appliances for over 60 years. They have a team of skilled and experienced appliance repair techs in every area of the country, and you can even schedule the same day or next day appointments. They can repair most major appliances, and will diagnose the problem and give you an estimate for the repair costs. The Sears Outlet is filled with used appliances, but savvy shoppers can find the best bargains by sifting through the damaged models and avoiding them altogether. Bent appliances should be avoided, and bent frames should be fixed if possible. The good news is that this problem can easily be remedied without compromising the functionality of the appliance. However, if you are not sure how to choose the right repair, there are ways to save money by taking advantage of the many Sears Outlet repair services offered. If you have a broken appliance, it's easy to find a quick fix at a Sears Outlet repair service. Since 1956, the company has provided appliance repairs with an 850,000 plus 5-star rating. If you need a same-day or next-day appointment, you can contact the company's local repair techs. They are trained to diagnose any appliance problem and provide an estimate for the total cost of repairs. The new Reno, Nevada location of Sears Outlet Repairs and Distribution Center is the newest facility. This facility handles gently used and lightly damaged major appliances, lawn and garden products, fitness equipment, and more. Certified Sears technicians repair these items and send them back to their retail stores. These stores serve California, Nevada, Idaho, and Oregon. There are also a number of service centers located around the country that provide a variety of services. Although Sears claims to offer floor models dishwashers, these units often have dents, bent frames, or leaks at the door chassis seal. Because the warranty on these products is limited, the store does not offer repair or refund. This makes it more difficult to find a repair service. Many of the dishwashers that are sold at Sears Outlet stores are not even able to be returned for repairs. While you can find a bargain at Sears Outlet, make sure to know what to look for. A bent frame may mean the appliance is too old, or you simply did not pay enough for it. Even if it is too old or damaged, there are some simple repairs available that won't affect the product's performance. Check the warranty for the appliance to see how long it will last. It's best to avoid appliances with bent frames, because they're not worth the money.